Today, I'm going to show you how to insert and modify image watermarks in Microsoft Word quickly and easily. If you're creating branded documents, protecting your content, or just want a professional-looking watermark on your pages, this is a simple method you can use in just a few clicks. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Microsoft Word tips and tricks. Let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Word document. Once your file is open, look at the top menu and click the Design tab. This is where Word keeps the page styling tools, including watermark options. Inside the Design tab, find the Watermark button. Click it and you'll see a list of preset watermark options. Since we want to use our own image, scroll through the menu and choose Custom Watermark. This opens a new settings window where you can create a custom watermark for your document. In the Custom Watermark window, select Picture Watermark. This tells Word that instead of using text, you want to use an image as your watermark. After selecting that option, click the button to upload or select your picture. Choose the image you want to use, such as a logo, brand mark, or any graphic you want displayed faintly in the background of your document. Once your image is loaded, you can customize how it appears. One of the most useful options is Washout. If you enable Washout, Word will fade the image so it looks lighter and less distracting behind your text. This is perfect if you want the watermark to be visible without overpowering the document content. You can also adjust the scale. Scaling lets you control how large or small the watermark image appears on the page. If the watermark looks too big, reduce the scale. If it looks too small, increase it until it fits the layout of your document the way you want. Take a moment to preview the results so you can make sure the watermark looks clean and professional. After you've finished adjusting the image watermark settings, click OK to apply the watermark to your document. Word will automatically place the image watermark behind your text across the pages, giving your document a polished and customized appearance. If you ever want to change the watermark later, just go back to the Design tab, click Watermark again, and return to Customer Watermark to update the image, adjust the scale, or turn Washout on or off. That makes it easy to modify the watermark anytime without starting over. And that's it. You've now learned how to insert and modify image watermarks in Microsoft Word. It's a quick way to brand your documents, add a professional touch, or protect your work with a visible image in the background. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy Microsoft Word tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.